You can visit our website for the commands in the videos. If you want to purchase other study materials like packet tracer files and other course guidelines, then you can email to us. Follow us on Facebook for further updates. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe so I can quickly deliver more videos on various topics. So today we'll have a look at how to download and install the packet tracer software. So when it comes to our network, what we are doing is we are trying to simulate all the labs and practices by using the packet tracer software. Okay. So in order to do that, first of all you need to install the packet tracer. So I will show you how to download it from the official website and how to install it. So this is the website. You can visit www.netacad.com. Okay. By going there, you can simply download the packet tracer by logging in. You need to provide your Gmail or any other email details and some other basic details they will require. You need to fill the form and you can download the packet tracer software from resources field. Okay. You can install it even if your operating system is Windows, Linux or Mac OS 32 or 64 bits, whatever it is. So you can simply visit by www.netacad.com or else you can Google it, download packet tracer netacad, and you will get the link. Okay. In the description I'll post the link so that you can click and visit the website. In the website you will see there's a tab called courses. If you click there, you can see courses/Cisco packet tracer page should appear. In that you can see introduction to packet tracer course. Okay. Click on that. You need to scroll down. There you can sign up for the course, which is a Cisco packet tracer course, and sign up. When you are asked to sign up, you need to provide these details. Okay. So for the first sign up, you can note down if you already have an account in packet tracer or netacad.com, then you can simply log in here. Okay. If not, if you are a complete beginner, you need to provide these details, your first name, last name and email address, and once after providing this, you can get the received link in your email and you can click upon it and log in. There you will be provided the details to log in. So you need to fill these details, check these boxes, and there's a small math question, you need to answer it and submit. Okay. After submission, you can click login and the login page will appear. In here you need to type your email ID and the password. So you can provide your username and password in order to log into the packet tracer. Then sign in. So here in your case your name would appear here. Okay. And then go to resources and click upon download packet tracer. Okay. Here it would show, if you scroll down, you can see Windows, Linux and Mac OS downloadable files are available with 64-bit for Windows and 32-bit for Windows. Okay. By the time when I was installing, it was 7.3 packet tracer, and now itself it's packet tracer version 8 is latest one. So you need to install the latest version as possible. Okay. It's completely free packet tracer software. You can install it. In the end of the video, I will show you how to install the version 8 latest one. Okay. After installing the software, you need to activate the software. When you click upon open, it will open and it will ask you to activate the account by netacad. So at that time you need to log into this website. After activation, you will see a workspace like this. Okay. So I will show you how I have installed everything. By now I just showed you because I wanted to show you point by point where to select and everything. That's why I showed in slides. Next, after downloading the packet tracer file, how you need to install it and all will be shown later. So here I am downloading the version 8 You can simply download it by giving your email ID and password, and they'll require you to enroll for a course. So you need to enroll for that. It's a free course from Packet Tracer, Cisco Packet Tracer. You can simply enroll. Now see here, I have clicked download and it's being downloaded. So I need to save the file. The difference is, if you install it without registering, you can log in, which means you can open the file. When you open it, it will ask you to work with the guest version or the registered version. Okay, with guest version you can save only 3 times. After that, again you need to close the program and again reopen, and you can work. Again, after 3 times when you save your work, again you need to close and open. So here I am opening the downloaded file and running the setup. Just double click on the file, that's enough. So you can see, you need to accept the agreement, next, and select a path to install the file. You can rename it if needed. Browse and you can select a different folder. These are options. You can have it, or whether you can leave it default as well. Next. Next. Create a desktop shortcut, and if you need a quick launch icon, you can do it as well. Then install. So we need to wait till it installs. Okay. Once after it get installed, you can finish the setup. For multi-user, if you are not using, you can give no. Okay. So this is how it opens. You can continue as guest here, as shown here, without registering or not, or else you need to sign up from netattacker.com site. Okay. For this firewall, just allow access, or else it might block something. So you can go to the Packet Tracer. So just allow access. Check the box and allow access. You can continue as a guest. In guest version, you can save only up to 3 times. After saving 3 times, you need to close it and again you need to reopen the Packet Tracer. Okay. And since the NetAttacker website is under maintenance, we can't sign up right now. Okay. But in your case, when you are trying to install, just click on the sign up and register for the netattacker.com course. There will be a course for Packet Tracer, which is a free course. You just have to enroll it. Okay. Just give your email ID and details. You will get the email confirmation and log in with that, and you can use it. In the official version, once after registering, you don't need to worry about the 3-time limitation for the save. There is no limitations in the official registration. Okay. So for now, I'm going for the continue as guest version. Okay. So it's showing a countdown. Let me click it again. So I'm inside my Packet Tracer environment. Okay. Here we can have our real router and switch network environment simulations. So you can configure it and check upon the outcome. Okay. Let me build a small lab. So I'm taking in devices. Just drag and drop. Go to desktop configs and I can assign IP addresses to that. Each and everything we will be learning in our course. Okay. So here I have attached the switch router and I'm just trying to ping. To see the labels, you can go for options, preference, and check the always show port labels. So you can see the labels. All these are very basics. You can see the basic configuration session, so you can understand it better. Now try to ping to reach the router. You can see the reply is coming, right? Which means the ping is successful. You can do the simulations as well. You can click and place the PDU. So go to simulation and just forward it. Okay, so the packet reaches. Click on the packet and you can see the source and destination IPs. Our main aim is to install the packet tracer. That's done, and also this is version 8, and in this version you can have programming network controller interface as well, which means like application programming interfaces. You can attach a network controller and you can monitor it from your real environment or the browser. You can do it. Earlier this feature is not available. Okay, this feature wasn't available earlier. Now in the version 8 they have introduced, and also they have modified some real physical environment simulation processes. You can look at the physical on the mouse pointer here. So if you click on the physical workspace, you can see the real cables, devices, and how to attach it and all are there. Okay, these are some new features. Earlier also the physical feature was there, but it was a bit updated now. So now I'm assigning IP address by commands and I'm verifying the IP address by show IP interface brief. And you can see the connected device by show CDP neighbors. Okay. If you want to return to the real time mode, you can click on the real time and you can leave the simulation. Okay, you can save it here, give a file name and save it. Only 3 times you can save now because we are in the guest mode. Okay, we didn't get sign up or register now. Okay, so after the 3rd time of saving this file, you need to again close the packet tracer and reopen it again. Okay, if you are registered, you don't need to bother about the limitations. Okay, you can use it as much as you want. Registering everything is free. Okay, so information message about, so when you save 2 or 3 times, it's showing the message there's a limitation for save. Click OK and close it now if needed. Click on the physical and click inside. You can see the real devices. Click inside the rack again to see the routers, switches and all. Okay, so the cables, everything are there. You can just simply drag and configure it, move it. You can zoom it as well. Again, to return to the logical, you can click on the logical bit.